everyone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Unicorn Diary.
Okay, then today also we came to teach you how to make a beautiful bird like this. So therefore, as you know, our Princess Marida came here. So welcome you, Princess Marida. ඉතින් ආයුබෝවන් දුවේ පුතේ අදත් අපි එකතු වෙලා තියෙනවා යුනිකෝන් ඩයරි එකත් එක්ක. අද අපි කියලා දෙන්න හදන්නේ කොහොමද මෙන්න මේ වගේ ලස්සන බර්ඩ් කෙනෙක් ලස්සන කුරුල්ලෙක් හදාගන්නේ කියලා. ඉතින් ඒක ඔයගලන්ට කියලා දෙන්න ඇවිල්ලා තියෙනවා Princess Marida. Then she will teach you how to make a bird like this. Therefore we need Odara those things. Do you know what are the things? Shall we tell to our friends? Okay. First we need 2 circles from box board, then a pair of scissors, a bottle of glue,
and a cotton
bud, a paper cutter, black color pen,
and
some color A4 sheets. We choose 2 colors. There are 2 yellow papers
and 1 red paper.
Yeah. Okay, then let's start the handwork now. First, we are going to cut a big circle from box board.
Easy and peasy.
Yes, very easy to make a bird like this. You can cut around the circle.
Teacher?
Yes.
Do you think what I'm thinking?
No, I don't know.
This is the baby bird and that is the mommy bird.
Oh, really? Okay, then we have finished cutting 1 circle. Then we can bend it into 2 halves like this.
Tweet, tweet. Hey!
So, now we took the yellow color.
Paper.
Yes. And we can bend into some strips like this.
Like this.
Yes.
Today, now we are going to make the wings.
Wings.
Next, we are going to do the beak.
Beak.
And the last part, we are going to do the eye. We can't see the eye here. Yeah.
Right. Now we have finished making the wings. You can use yellow color like this to make the wings.
Any color you want.
Yes, actually any color you want.
Like blue or something.
Yeah.
Like this. So today we are going to add yellow to the wings.
Yes. Right, now we are going to mark from the middle. ඉතින් අපි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම box board වලින් circle එකක් කපාගෙන ඊට පස්සේ color A4 වලින් අපි කුරුල්ලගේ පිහාටු හැදුවා. දැන් අපි ඒ කපාගත්ත ලොකු රවුමේ මැදින් මෙන්න මේ විදියට paper cutter එක යොදාගෙන පුංචි කැපුම් දෙකක් කරනවා. We can cut from the middle of the big circle.
Yes. Actually, it's not a circle. If we put like this, what is this shape?
Yeah, it's half circle.
Yes, half circle. Not a circle. It's a half circle.
Right, then as you can see, we have finished cutting from the middle of the circle. Now we are going to put the wings.
To here.
Yes.
Now it's time to the wings. Add some glue. Then
We didn't add the glue this time, darling.
to the beak.
Yeah. Right. Now, what are we going to do next? I think we are going to
cut beak.
Yes.
Then
We are going to cut a beak.
Then we are pasting with the glue too.
How did you know these things?
Because I can watch and do it.
Okay, what is that shape, Odara?
That is a triangle.
Yes. Now let's apply some glue.
First we are going to add some glue. Then paste it on the beak. Any color. Yellow, red, like that. Any color.
Yeah. Okay, now we have finished making the bird. So
Now
before
it's-
end,
Now it's time to make the eye.
yes. Oh, it's an eye.
Yes. It's the same one.
Okay, now we have finished making a beautiful bird. So, can you see? It moves nicely.
Like this.
Yes. Right. Then Princess Merida, can you gift it to our Odara? Okay. A beautiful bird. Show me, Odara. Wow, it's nice. Then my children, you also can make a beautiful bird like this. Odara, I want to sing a poem with you. Yes, then let's sing two little dicky birds. You can hold the birds like this and let's sing. Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, come back, Paul. Very nice. Thank you so much, Princess Merida, for making a beautiful bird. Then, ඉතින් දුවේ පුතේ ඔයාලටත් පුළුවන් ගෙදර ඉඳන් මේ වගේ ලස්සන බර්ඩ්ස් ලා හදන්න හදලා අපිට එවන්න කොහොමද හදන්නේ කියලා ඔයගොල්ලෝ දැන් දැනගත්තානේ. ඉතින් as a homework you can make a beautiful birds like this. Then Odara, before end the lesson, shall we remind something for our friends?
Okay.
They have to subscribe our channel and
Click the bell icon.
yes, what is our YouTube channel?
Unicorn Diary.
Okay, then see you again with another nice lesson. Goodbye, children.
Goodbye.